Watch out! That's WHAP, trying to cause troubles. Happy almost birthday, Ahoyo! They're having cheeseburgers for the first time, so I don't know if they're gonna like them or not. But they seem to like things that we cook. Oh, she went for the ice cream first. Ah, she's taking a cheeseburger. At least it's not the cheesy side. Gotta eat that, Ahoyo. It's good. There we go. Now we've started something. Isn't that good? Now the wolves are getting their hamburgers, ice cream, and liver treats. That's WHAP and Shado. Nico's over here by me. Go ahead, Nico. Go see. Right in front of the balloons, maybe, huh? Shado went for the liver treats. Nico's trying a hamburgie. Shado took an ice cream. Don't roll on it, Nico. You're going to get cheese on you. Got a hamburger, cheeseburger. Here, Nico. Those are good. You gotta eat that. It's very good. Don made those for you. Oh, he's guarding it. Oh. I think he likes cheeseburgers. Ouch, Jado. Jado, Nico, and WHAP are 10 years old. And Watache and Ahoyo are 12. WHAP's gonna cache a hamburger for later when it cools down, when the sun goes down. looking for another place to cash a piece of cheeseburger. Good girl, WHAP.